Finally guys, we have the finals here. मेरे लेफ्ट साइड में है टीम रामू एंड वी हैव द इजी मनी. ये लोग तो भाई आराम से पैसा लेके जाने का है. आपको क्या लगता है, आप जीत पाएंगे?
आई होप सो. अपन अपना बेस्ट ट्राई करते, लेट्स सी क्या होता.
What the expecting score you are expecting कि भाई जीतेंगे?
क्या बोलते हैं? आई थिंक 13-8, 13-7 तो easily.
13-7, 13-8. Okay. So there is a girl playing in that team, bro. So what do you think that Sentinel is gonna play you guys up?
Irrespective of gender, she's playing really nice.
Actually seen. So let's take it for Ramu. Either who is the captain of the team? Okay. You are the leader and I think you are the Sentinel as well, right? So what rank are you on?
Oh, I just hit plat, that's all.
What? You just hit plat. You are sitting in the finals of 18K tournament के finals में बैठा हुआ है. All the best. There you go guys. Ramu पूरा अभी setup कर रहा है. The finals is gonna start up. You guys can see this live on Vishal Peripheras Gaming channel as well. हमारा YouTube में ये live भी हो रहा है और वहाँ पे सब audience के लिए भी है guys. So keep enjoying.
सो वी आर विशाल पेरिफेरल्स. हम पूरी टेक सोल्यूशन लेके आए हैं आपकी XI के लिए. सो हाउ डू यू लव अबाउट दीज एंड ये स्नीकर पीसी देख के?
Totally amazing, like unexpected, mind blowing. मतलब I did not expect कि हमारे कॉलेज में कभी ये होने वाला था. Like the last time I saw something like this was in NIF, and this is the first time I'm seeing it in our college, and I'm like too good, yaar.
Thank you so much. So do you have a laptop or a PC at all?
Yeah, I do.
Is it gonna be getting upgraded anytime soon?
I mean, yeah, I have to. Like I'm just waiting for the right time to.
Okay, so whenever you have the right time, इसलिए हम यहाँ आए हैं. So you have a विशाल पेरिफेरल्स कूपन कोड. So ये कूपन कोड लेके हमारे स्टोर विजिट कर लो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, और ये कूपन कोड के लिए we have more extra 10 to 30% off on लैपटॉप्स हो गया, पेरिफेरल्स हो गया, या फिर ऐसा पीसीज अगर आप खरीदना चाहते हो तो, या मॉनिटर्स हो गया.
He would love it.
Oh, your brother?
Yeah, I have a brother. He would love it.
Okay.
I'll definitely give it to.
So yeah, definitely. Then we have stores here. Just to search in Instagram या फिर आप Google Map पे search कर सकते हो and come visit.
Thank you so much. This is just amazing.
Thank you.
It was a privilege meeting you today.
हाँ, thank you.
Thank you.
So there you go guys. अगर आप लोगों को भी कुछ भी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए टेक सोल्यूशन है, so कुछ भी चाहिए, विशाल पेरिफेरल्स.
Yeah, Vishal preferences, guys. Come there.
Thank you guys. Yeah. So you will guys, we have the second winners यहाँ पे. So you guys got the 6,000 prize money, right? So how do you feel कि भाई पूरा का पूरा, I think 14 teams were there, right? 16 team पे से you guys came into the finals and came #2. So how do you feel about this and पूरा journey कैसा रहा?
I mean, it was good.
You know, honestly, we're used to this. We're always used to coming finals, so it's not you.
So are you used to coming and taking the tops?
Is and is that's what Team Ram is built for, because we miss our coach.
Oh, okay. So maybe next time you guys want to try a little bit more, like you're coming into the finals every time, then #2 कर सके लग रहा है आपको. So what are you gonna do with the 6K?
I mean, that one we need to see.
No, not yet. Yeah. क्योंकि पहले से पता था कि 2 आने वाला है, तो प्राइस तो पता रहता है. Okay, but still, how do you feel about the PCs and the
The pieces were really good.
the FPS and everything lag out?
Yeah, that was good.
How was the PCs and how do you like the PCs with the peripherals and custom built PCs?
The pieces were really good. Like the game was running smooth and the monitors were really nice actually.
So how much FPS you were getting in those PCs?
I mean, I didn't check the FPS, but like few of them were like 540 Hz and few of them were like 144. Like they were getting like 240 Hz. Yeah.
We have the whole tech solution in the lowest price possible, especially for the students. And here are the coupon code. So yeah. So when you guys visit our store with this coupon code, you guys get an extra, off from whatever you buy. तो अगर लैपटॉप चाहिए, कुछ लैपटॉप वगैरह है?
Oh yeah, Lenovo LG.
Okay. So if in case you want any peripherals for the laptop, so a keyboard or a mechanical keyboard या फिर mouse जो कुछ चाहिए, so visit us. We have the best offers. आप जो Amazon, Flipkart जिधर भी देखेंगे, वो सबसे lowest price में मिलेंगे. Okay. So thank you so much and hopefully you will tell your friends and अगले वाले event पे भी आज आएंगे.
Oh yes, 100%.
#1 के लिए.
Probably.
Okay. चलो. Thank you buddy. Thank you team Ramu guys. Well played Ramu guys. So So finally we have the winners guys. That's easy money. First of all I want to ask कि भाई ये easy money नाम रख के आप लोगों ने easily पैसा लेके जाने का कुछ ऐसा इरादा लाइक?
हमारे मालूम हम लोग बहुत बेस्ट है, वो लोग इजीली जीतते, इजी मनी लिए अपने जीतते बोल के इजी मनी रखना।
I want to ask you, do you guys think कि हैदराबाद में आपका टीम बहुत बेस्ट है?
नहीं हमको बहुत टीम्स मालूम जिसके हम लोग खेलते हैं अगेंस्ट, जो फुल रेडियंस उन्ना के साथ खेल के हम का गेम प्ले ऐसा।
So how do you think all these small tournaments are going to help you out and maybe एक टाइम पे कुछ कर सकते हो बहुत बड़ा?
मेनली इट हेल्प इन प्रेशर, नर्वसनेस बहुत होता स्टार्टिंग में लाइक फॉर न्यू पीपल, वो उसमें इट हेल्प यू ईज डाउन योर नर्वसनेस एंड एवरीथिंग, देन यू कैन कम्पीट इन मोर।
बढ़िया भाई, and they are winning 9,000 prize money guys, the whole team, and we have the MVP also from the team of course. So how do you feel about becoming the MVP and what's your in-game name and your rank?
My in-game name is John. My rank is Ascendant 2 right now. My peak is Immortal 1 and MVP I'm used to it as.
Okay, so then what's your favorite character? I mean champion.
I used to play Jet but now it's Raze.
Now it's Raze. क्यों Jet का वो dash to कुछ ये हो गया था क्या? Nerf हो गया था?
था but अभी Raze ही है.
एक्सप्लोजन बहुत पता है।
Okay. Yeah, with the 9,000 prize money, so how are you gonna do? What you're gonna do with it? Keyboard, mouse, कुछ लेने का plan है?
तो कीबोर्ड लेना है, वो डिस्काउंट कार्ड मेरे को भी मिल गया तो किधर भी जाके ले लेता था।
Exactly. So that's why we are here, guys. ताकि इन लोगों का needs पूरी करने के लिए, so we have extra discounts with these coupons. So ये तो आपके लिए सबसे पहले, yeah, and बाकी लोग भी, you guys can also, yeah, you can also come visit www.vishalperipherals.com. There you go, guys. हमारा FIFA का winner आ चुका है. So let them know your name and how do you feel about the game कि यार आप लोगों ने first आया, आपने first आया basically.
I'm Hriday Pasi. I'm a student of ICFI Hyderabad, third year student, and absolutely buzzing with the victory. 5 games in a row.
मैंने सुना कि यार पिछले साल का भी आप जीत के लेके गए.
हाँ, लास्ट टाइम भी जीता था।
अभी ये बंदे को आदत हो रहा है वैसे तो अभी.
ज़्यादा से मजबूत एक कॉलेज बार इवेंट करते रहे, हम जीतते रहेंगे।
So have you tried anything more than this? You're going professional once a year.
Could be.
You could be, right? You know? So right now India का best FIFA players are someone like Charanjot नाम है, Saransh नाम है. So we do even closely work with them as well. मतलब मैं कर चुका हूँ तो hoping to see you on the top level. Hopefully. So these are the छोटे steps जहाँ पे यार आप learn कर सकते हो और यहाँ पे आप जीतने का एक confident आ जाते हो. Next we can also give you guys. So you will definitely try, right?
Definitely.
Okay, so I also want to know about you. You have seen all these texts and oh भाई देखो टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है, आपका भी टूर्नामेंट चला. So how do you feel about Vishal Peripherals sponsoring these big events for?
It was absolutely great. It was absolutely great having you guys here. Give the equipment, the controllers, the PS5, everything spectacular.
Thank you so much. So we actually all of the students a special discount where normal बंदे से ज़्यादा special discount 10% और additional off देता है for the students if they have their ID card and if they visit our store, if they show the ID card, जो भी लेना है उससे और off मिलता है. So that
विनर के लिए भी कुछ है?
हाँ, winners के लिए भी अभी ट्रॉफी तो लेके जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, डिस्काउंट
कैश प्राइजेस भी मिल रहा है. Chalo guys, the winner we have. Let's go.